It is summertime and a lot of us are trying to get healthier, or at least I know that I am, and I have some Amazon finds for you that are affordable, that are fun, and they will help you get into shape. My name is Jamie. I'm the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. My first Amazon find is this amazing water bottle. And I know that I've shared this with you guys before, but I have to say this water bottle is a game changer. This has actually been showing me how much water I drink, when I need to catch up, and it really allows me to get way more water in than I ever would imagine needing. Now, I will say what I like the most about it is the way you start off your day each day. You start filling it up all the way. Then you sip down here to at least good morning, and you try and do that by 7 a.m. Then you want to continue to hydrate, and you want to do at least this much by 9 a.m., this much by 11 a.m., this much by 1, etc., 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 until you've drank the entire thing. Now, what I do like about this also is it's got this great straw that's built into it. However, you can very, very easily open this up and fill this up because it does have a very generous opening here. And it's got this great straw, which is also very, very easy to wash. This is a product that I am going to definitely carry throughout the summer, but also long, long beyond that. Recently, I joined some friends in a free yoga class, and I was actually kind of blown away how much fun I had with it. Now, there were a lot of the kind of poses, the downward dog, and all these different things that I certainly could not do. And that made me actually want to research and Google it even more. So I was able to go to Google. I searched in my local neighborhood and my local city, and I found that there were actually some free yoga classes out there for beginners. A lot of studios are offering free classes to kind of get people in, to hope that they get addicted to it and that they're having a lot of fun. And I was able to find a local class that is on Sunday afternoons right here in my very own neighborhood with a $5 donation to take the class. That is all you need. And now I needed to get a yoga mat, and this yoga mat is from Amazon Basics. And what's so great about this is that it is super, super affordable. It's also got this great carrier strap on this, and I am not going to humor you with doing some different yoga poses right now. However, I am looking forward to getting more slim, more svelte, and definitely more limber. Now, the other thing I snagged when I was at Amazon was my Bellway Super Fiber Plus Fruit. Now, this is a prebiotic, and it helps keep your bacteria that's in your body functioning like a champ. It helps improve your immune system, it aids in absorption of minerals and vitamins, and of course, it helps with number 2. And also, this is a certified organic formula that is less calories than a lot of other brands. And it's completely natural. It's vegan, it's gluten and sugar-free, and it's easy to mix. And I have to say, this mixed berry flavor is actually really, really delicious. Now, another Bellway product that I did grab was this Super Fiber Plus Fruit and Collagen. This is a prebiotic as well that helps keep good bacteria functioning like a champ. It's also formulated to detoxify your digestive system and bring you one step closer to glowing and radiant skin. I know for me personally, this is definitely something that I'm starting to pay attention to. I'm starting to take advantage of. And also, whenever I can get any kind of extra collagen, I always will take it because it's going to do nothing but help me stay beautiful and young. And then of course, you are going to want to be able to have these kind of items on the go. And this blender bottle that's also from Bellway is fantastic because it's got the little shaker inside of there, and you've got everything that you need. You can literally throw this in a bag, you can keep this in your office, and you've always got your Bellway products at a quick grab whenever you need them. Another thing that I'm going to highly, highly recommend, especially when you're out in the summertime, is sunscreen. Now, you can get sunscreen from a lot of different places, but I do actually like buying it on Amazon, especially if it's one of my favorite brands like this one here. Now, sunscreen is obviously super important for many, many reasons. I know for myself, I actually drive a convertible. And so anytime that I'm driving my car, regardless of whether it's summertime or not, I'm constantly applying sunscreen because I do want to protect my skin. I want to protect my forehead. forehead, I want to protect my ears, I want to protect the back of my neck, and those are some of the really sensitive and very prone areas on my body anyway, and also my arms. Having a sunscreen that you like, that's easy to put on, like this one with just a very simple spray, really allows you to protect yourself and enjoy the summer. And also, if you happen to live in a sunnier climate, then it's going to protect you all year long. Another item that I snagged on Amazon that is an absolute game changer for me, and I am so excited for it, is the Yo Nanas machine. Now, this thing is crazy. I can't really call it an ice cream maker, but what it does is makes ice cream. It takes frozen fruit and it converts it into ice cream, or at least what comes out the consistency of ice cream. I used a half a banana and then I mixed in some strawberries and some blueberries, and it created the most yummy frozen fruit ice cream-esque stuff that was so delicious and so tasty. It is going to be an absolute game changer. It is going to allow me to have lots and lots of fresh fruit around, and anytime my fresh fruit is starting to get a little bad, I know that I can throw it in the freezer and I can have it for my Yo Nanas, because I'm a little Yo Nanas. I am thinking about eating. I'm always thinking about junk food. I'm thinking about easy food. I'm thinking about convenience. And while I was surfing on Amazon for items to shop for today, I found this 5-ingredient clean eating cookbook. There are some actual amazing recipes in here, and there are only 5 ingredients. Anybody can do this. And when you're looking at this cookbook, what I also loved about it is it's got pretty pictures. I love a cookbook that has pictures in it that really highlights and shows off everything that you're going to be eating. And I love the recipes in here, and it is broken out to everything. It has literally every different kind of category. And like this, you can have a savory corn muffins with spinach and feta. I mean, how easy is that? And it's literally 5 ingredients. Now, that does not include like salt and pepper and the basics thing, but obviously you're gonna have a lot of those items in your pantry, and you're gonna have those as staples. Anytime you are wanting to get healthier, get leaner, you're wanting to start cooking for yourself more instead of eating out a lot, eating clean is really important, but having a 5-ingredient cookbook, oh my gosh, that is a game changer. All right, you guys, can you believe it? That is it. These are some of my favorite finds on Amazon, and I wanted to share them with you because I know for me, it helps when I have a champion and I am going through kind of a weight loss journey right now. I'm wanting to get in better shape. I'm wanting to take care of myself, and I would love the encouragement from you. And I'm also curious to know, what are you working on with your own body? Are you working on getting healthier? Are you working on losing some weight? Maybe there's a event or something that you're planning for and you want to just drop a few pounds, or you just want to feel good. Feeling good, remember, starts here, but it also starts here with your body. And you can find a lot of great products like these Bellway products that are going to be linked in the description box below. Be sure and check out all of the different options that they have for you. And of course, you want to make sure that you get them and start taking them, because if you buy them and they sit on your shelves, they're not going to do you any good. All right, guys, I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Thank you so much for everything, and I look forward to bringing you more content very soon. All right, bye-bye, guys.